Let's clean out my fridge. Okay, so I need to clean out my fridge. I've been wanting to do that for like weeks now, but I have wanted to do a video, and in the video I have wanted it to be like perfect and me doing everything in one night. But I need to like accept that I have a normal work life and not always have the energy to do that after work, and don't always want to do that on the weekends. So I'm kind of compromising, or I'm just surrendering to the fact that that's my life right now. And I'm going to do a bit of cleaning out the fridge every day, every night, you know. And so I'm gonna start today, and I think the things that are like the hardest for me to do is that I have a tub with water and beets because I thought that I would do something with them, so I peeled them and put them in that tub with the water because I thought that I would do it like after, like the next day or the day after that, and that they wouldn't spoil. But now it's been weeks and I'm pretty sure that what's in that jar isn't edible and might explode when I open it, because the lid is like bent upward, and I think yeah. So that, and then I have a jar with my old sourdough starter, which has been in there for like weeks now without me feeding it. It's dead and I'm a bit scared of what's inside. So those two are the hardest, so I'm thinking that I'm gonna begin with those. Yeah, let's go. They're like also like in the back of the fridge. Like there's such, this is the beet thing, it's such like, has expanded. I'm afraid to open it. It's literally gonna explode any minute. And then, oh, there's black there. I don't know if it's, oh my god. Ooh. Let's do this. I'm feeling like I want to have something like this to kind of protect my clothes when I open this. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Okay, so this is the sourdough starter thing. This could be gross. Oh. I'm trying to like scrape with the spoon. Okay, so it's a week since that last video. I've been sick, and yeah, I haven't done much with the fridge, but today night, it's the day. I'm gonna clean out the rest in the fridge. Yeah, the fridge, and clean on the shelves and everything. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm a bit tired because I'm still kind of recovering from me being sick, and also I got my period today, so I am battling some period pain, and yeah. But I want to do this now because I feel an ick every time I open my fridge. So let's get started. I got sidetracked and started making a bread dough, but now. So I'm gonna start with just emptying out my fridge and throwing away the things that should not be there anymore. Yeah, and then I'm gonna take out the shelves and drawers and yeah, these are shelves, and then clean them, put them back, and restock the fridge. So I am done with the door shelves. Like I cleaned them in the sink. Like I kind of clean them like I do dishes, and then I also wipe them down with this like water and what's it called? And vinegar. It's water and vinegar, which I have in the spray bottle, and I like wipe them with a cloth. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna spray the vinegar on the inside here. This drawer I'm gonna clean out. With the shelves, I think I'm gonna take a paper and first just take all the like crumbs and things off. Sometimes I like do it in the sink as well, but I don't have the energy for that today. So I'm just wiping off all the like mini crumb things, and then also taking like a wet dishcloth and just dabbing it to get the stubborn like small things. And then I'm gonna take the vinegar water blend thing and take the and wipe the shelves off with that. And then we're almost done, I think, when I've done that. I have so much chocolate things in my fridge because I store my chocolate in the fridge, and then I like break it and there's like chocolate crumbs, bits everywhere. So now I'm taking the oh shit, the box. Now I have cleaned up, wiped down the fridge, and it's time to what do you call it? It's time to put the stuff back. So it's organizing time, which is the favorite part, my favorite part of this. Yeah. So I'm gonna open the fridge and start organizing. I need homesier music. Okay, so this is it. I have some like condiments here, and then I have milk, some other dairy products, because I'm making rhubarb pie, and then this I wanted to try. It's beetroot juice. It's not the best, but I think I'm gonna try to make it taste good. I don't know how, but I'm trying. And then I have my vegetable like box, and yeah, I don't know. I've tried to like organize it so that it's more like, I want it to look pretty, like my little glass there and yeah, but I also want it to be like practical, and so I have the condiments like down there. I don't usually look like, I don't see it the first thing, and so I have like fresh things on display, and here's like my plate with things that I kind of need to use, like this broccoli, it's starting to like bloom, and this tomato had a little, you see, and so I need to use that soon. And yeah, I'm thinking maybe I'll put that there. Actually, I think that's actually better because I see it better up here, and then I can move these down here. I think that's better. Better. Yeah, because now I see it more. Yeah, and then I have eggs, dates. This is like fruits and stuff. It's not full. The fridge is not full, which is great because then when I make food and I get leftovers, I have place for leftovers. But yeah, this is like the overall view, and it's so nice. It feels so much more fresh to open the fridge now when I don't have like I had like crumbs from I had the sourdough thing standing in the back, and it's like the sourdough dried and then it fell down, and I had like sourdough starter crumbs all over, and it was pretty gross. And I have the like chocolate flakes, and it's just a lot more like nice to open my fridge now. yeah, so I hope you like this video of me organizing my fridge. Now I need to organize the rest of my kitchen and also like my whole apartment. I had I like remembered that I could sew, and so I started sewing again. I had a lot of like projects that I had just like left, and now I started finishing some of them. Like I did a top and a like makeup pouch thing. I kind of am done, but I want to change some things. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing today, and my apartment's a mess. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope I see you in the next video, and bye.